Hey everybody, you looking to generate some serious leads for your window cleaning business? Look no further. Mr. Pipeline has your back. We've been in business for quite some time now. We market for some of the greatest window cleaning companies in the country, and we have a really strong strategy that'll get the job done for you at a rate that'll make sense to you. We're proud to say that we are not the highest person in the industry. We're not the lowest person in the industry. We're the person that fits your budget, that understands what it's like to be out there sweating your butt off, going to the next level, building technicians, scaling, sales, production. We get it. We know there's a lot more than just, hey, you know what, 1,000, 2,000 a month. That's not how we think. We know what it's like to be in the home service business. My entire life, I've been in the home service business. So after I sold my business, I stayed dedicated to helping window cleaners, pressure washers, exterior cleaning companies be the best in their business. Proud of it, and it'd be an honor to partner with you. Give us a call at Mr. Pipeline, or give us a call at 561-899-3043, or visit us at mrpipeline.com. And if we have your territory available, we'll do our very best to take you on and make you a long-term partner. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.